Hi, this is Saranam from Lotus Advisory Services. Today's to start off with gold dollar. Gold dollar actually today broken a strong support of 1360 to $1350. So now it is trading around $1344. Our next target in gold can be seen around 1320 to $1300. So it is looking weak now, gold dollar terms. As well as MCX is concerned, it is trading below the very strong support of 30,500 levels. So next support now it is trading around 30,240. We can expect gold to target up to 30,000 to 29,800 on a break below 30,200 levels. So gold looks bearish in dollar terms as well as INR. INR or Indian rupees due to INR. INR below 63 could come up to 61.8 levels. Silver dollar is today trading below $23, which is a very strong level. So next level we can see up to 22.5 to 22.2 levels in the coming session. And as well as in MCX is concerned, it has broken 52,000 today, and our next target could be around 51,300 to 51,000. If sustains below 51,800, we can see up to 50,000 also. So moving on to base metals, copper is now trading around 461.30 levels. Very strong resistance levels is seen around 465. Now the near term support seems around 460. A break below 460 could take prices till 455 to 450 levels. So traders can sell copper around 462 to 463 levels with a stop loss above 466 for a target of 455 to 450 levels in coming days. While nickel now it is trading around 870 levels. Nickel is trading around a tight range of 10 rupees from 870 to 880 levels only. So next upside move could come only above 890 levels. Phase in which it could test up to 850 to 840 levels. Lead yesterday it has broken its very strong level of 135, and still now it is trading below that. So next target could be around 131 to 130 levels in lead. So move on to zinc. Zinc also trading weak below 118 levels for a target of 116 to 115 expected today. Move on to crude oil. Crude oil for the past 2 days, the trading levels seen around 6800 to 6900 levels. Today also it could trade around these levels. A break below 6800 could take prices till 6700 to 6650 levels. In dollar terms also it is looking weak due to fundamental factors. Now the resistance seen around 6860 to 6870 levels. So we can expect crude to test 6800, 6750, 6700 levels. Natural gas is trading below its very strong levels of 230. A break below 225 can take prices till 220, 215 levels is possible. Now INR is concerned, it is now trading around 63.43. Now it could test and close around 63 levels. Any 63 levels is looking very strong resistance for that. A break below 63 could take prices very sharply to 61.8, which could hold all the commodities downside. So next weakness could be seen in INR only above 64. To test up to 66 to 67 is possible. So 63 is the very strong level which could decide the next momentum in INR. That's all. Thank you. For more, visit akshayashiv.com. Thank you.